My name is Akash, and today, welcome to my channel. In this particular video, we will be continuing with another course, like selecting an icon for your app or game. All right. So, how how can app icons will drive the installs? Right. What you will be going to learn. What are the best practices for your app or game icon? Okay. So what this course will give you, you will be like this course meant to be contextual aid to help you to get started to preview the assets. It doesn't meant to present an exhaustive view of approaches or best practices. This course is only the best experience on a desktop device in a landscape view. All right. So how these app icons will help to drive the installs. And app icons can be used in various locations on the Google Play. That may be including your store listing, it may be a search results and top charts as one of the first images seen by the potential users. And well balanced and visually appealing app icon be the key to capturing the interest. Okay, so best practices for an app icon includes like considering your brand identity, using the design elements that complement that can carry the graphics in your store listing. We can communicate the core idea and the intent of your app or a game a simple, bold, and friendly way. Okay, so size and place elements appropriate to engage the user interest and allow for scale. The Google Play provides key line templates to support the appropriate sizing and placement. Okay, so this is a particularly we will be going to understand. Okay, so now would you like to view the design specifications? Like unformed, uniformed shapes are usually more appealing and easier to digest. They help the users focus on the artwork or opposite to the shape. They fix the alignment like random open space, like just like a circular rectangular or another thing, brand identity. Think about the colors. Okay, so bright color of the icon stands against the white background. Maybe the design perspective will be we are focusing about. Let's suppose you are thinking about the Google Maps. So what's their brand identity? G is a Google's, right? So they are putting one a marker, location marker where they want to go, right? So this is a particularly it is going to talk about like content similar to other brands. Okay. So this is a particularly you have to understand this, think about it. Like you have to corner radius, best practices. You should ensure the consistency part, right? So after that, rounder edges, which kind of an apps which will look nicer, like nice appealing icons that will be appealing for the users, right? For the pizza app, Pizza Hut, if we have seen, like we have like pizza kind of like font size, then there they are denoting the like pizza into it and red color into it. Okay, so that certain kind of an things will makes an impact, and you have to use the adaptive icons. You have to user theming like basis upon the users Android devices basically. So let me talk about it like this. This is the first impression that user will see, and good graphics and draws more attentions. As you create an app icon, you have to consider these best practices. Use the elements and colors that can be a part of a consistent and brand story, which will display the graphic assets. Okay, what does it that mean basically? Like you use the user elements and colors that can be a part of a brand story, right? Which will be displayed with the graphic assets. Okay. Second thing, you have to use the use of keyline grids to place your logo and the images. Remember, Google Play dynamically applies drop shadows and corner radius, and avoid graphic or text elements to indicate the store. Okay, store performance and ranking, promote deals, or include prices information. Avoid text and graphic elements to indicate the Google Play program or incentive installs that can mislead the users. Okay, avoid the text graphic elements basically. Okay, so that is a main idea. Okay, so we'll just think, we'll just try to see in the next video. We'll be going to understand in the another topic. All right, that's it about this video. We will meet in the next video.